Hey, if I want thing with Chinese enough, girl, I go feel herself. Oh, looks so nice. Oh, looks so nice. Anyway, guys, come with me to a sip and paint / staff party that Bay invited me out to. Listen, I was just happy to be out with him. It was definitely a vibe. So this is us having a little karaoke session. Well, it was mainly me doing all the singing because, you know my man, girl a big singer, right? Girl a big singer. So it was definitely a cool night. It was a winter wonderland theme, and we got to, you know, chill out before the sipping and the painting began. This was my first time doing a sip and paint, so I was like, I didn't know what to expect, but I'm kind of artistic in a little way, so I wasn't even worried, right? So I was just here vibing with the guys, and as you can see, it was a whole gang. So we were like, okay, cool, let's get this done. So the picture that we're painting is actually a beach / seaside vibe, and this is what I came up with. Let me know what you guys think. I loved it. I think it turned